today is 18th August, time 10 a.m. Everybody can hear me? बोल दो यारो.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा जी, तो हम कल okay, where were we yesterday? We just talked about, suppose we have 8 trials, okay, and we had the success as P, the failure as 1 minus P, okay, of a trial. Yes, you can read it. Then we said we want to understand the probability of 3 successful trials. Okay? Now, if anybody remembers anything, they can tell me how do we begin here, and then we will try to touch concepts like this from here.
Sir, your screen is not clear, sir.
My screen is not clear.
Yes, sir.
What
Clearly
does it
written,
mean?
sir.
You cannot see anything? Or
Yes, sir.
this is fine. Leave this part, but this part is fine or not?
Your voice is also cutting off, sir.
The voice is also cutting out. क्या की हो गया?
Yes, sir.
एक मिनट. ऐसे चंगा सी.
Yes, now it's better.
हाँ जी. तो we were discussing 8 trials, success of P, success, one trial is P, 1 minus P, probability of 3 such trials. Okay, now you tell me how many you remember what to do or how you would have gone about, and then we will try to touch each and every concept. Yeah, go ahead. अरे बोलो यार, सिर्फ देखने के लिए आए हो क्या? कुछ तो तुक्का मारोगे? यहाँ ही डर गए. हेलो जी, नाम बोलूं क्या? तभी बोलोगे? चलो जी. वैष्णवी सिंह. वैष्णवी सिंह. Yes sir. Madam, can you speak or not, or you can just listen? We are waiting for your chat reply. Sir, I heard you. Oh, you have mic issue. It's not resolved. Anyways, no problem. It was there then. I cannot say anything. Sneha Chakravarti.
Yes, sir.
কি হলো? কেমন আছেন?
ভালো
Sir, so what will we do here? How do we begin?
Sir, NCR formula I will say.
अरे फॉर्मूला ठीक আছে, लेकिन why? केनो? What NCR क्यों लगा दिया यहाँ पर? Tell me that reason. Let's put 8 dots.
Sir, the 3 places we will get 1, 1, 1. Then the places
3
might shift
places.
again.
Okay, 3 places will get 1, 1, 1.
Yes.
Okay, any 3 places. So NCR लगाते हैं तो 8C3 you are saying. 8C3 means that I am trying to understand that what are the possible number of ways these 3 can be selected from these 8. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
So what is this? How much?
56.
So 56 is the answer?
Yes, sir.
56. Probability is more than 1.
No, sir, not. I am telling 8C3 is 56, sir.
So what is this the probability? What do we do then? 56 तो आ गया. You have got me that which of these 3 outcomes might be among those 8 outcomes. Okay, got it. 56. Then Parkour.
Sir, then, sir, we have to consider all the places, sir. Like first one we are getting 1 by 6, then second one 5 by 6. We have to consider that part. So the 1 by 6 to the power 3 and 5 by 6 to the power 5.
नहीं तो my question to you is why are we multiplying this that? So I can say that you are trying to say success of this is 1 by 5 by 6 or 1 by 6? 1 by 6, yeah.
1 by 6.
Eta 5 by 6. ठीक है, in this way we go, so we get 1 by 6 power 3 and 5 by 6 power 5. So that's fine. Now what do we do? You have told me how to get these three and you have told me how to get these three. Well, then what do we do?
Sir, multiply.
क्यों?
Sir, सर मल्टीप्लाई सर हर एक पोजीशन को मतलब हम लोग हर एक केस को कंसीडर अगर करेंगे तो दिस
अच्छा,
एंड दिस
okay. Somebody yesterday said 3 by 8. Why is that incorrect? Out of
sir 3 by 8 will not get, sir, because independent events, sir.
What independent events? What are independent events here?
Sir, that one the value of one or the probability one will not be dependent on the another trial, sir. So there are 3. So we had 8 trials. So sir, when the probability, like sir, like throwing a dice, sir. When we are throwing one dice and we are getting something, the probability of getting suppose even number, then one dice we are throwing, sir. Then we can get 3 by 6 or something like that. But sir, here
चलो ठीक है. किसी को कोई डाउट, कोई और ओपिनियन? बहुत कुछ बता दिया इन्होंने. हाँ जी, एनीवन?
समझ नहीं है.
हाँ, अच्छी बात है. मतलब समझ नहीं आया इस सेकेंडरी. एनीबडी हैज़ कॉन्ट्ररी ओपिनियंस और डिफरेंट ओपिनियंस? नो वन. चलो जिसको समझ नहीं आया उसी को समझाते हैं. भाई क्या नाम है आपका?
शशांक शेखर सिंह.
I like people who are honest more than who are intelligent. देखो प्रशांत, let's go by step. I will not solve this right now. I will just
शशांक.
Prashant, sorry.
Prashant.
Take Prashant, yes, sorry. So we will just go with things where we revise little bit. So we say probability is equal to all sample events or all sample divided by basic outcome. Okay, is it fine? Hello.
Yes sir.
ठीक है, that's one. Second is, if there are two events and we say probability of A and B, so what we do, we say P of A, what will we do? P of A intersection B, union B, or something else?
Intersection.
Okay, then we have either A or B. So we will say P A plus, or what we will say?
P union.
what? P of A union B.
Union P of B.
Union.
Okay, is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Let us say A is an event of success and B is an event of failure. Then please tell me what will be this A intersection B.
Zero.
Then we will have P A intersection B as 0. Now आपने बहुत बार ये भी बोला in this case. Why? Because B is A complement. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we always says if they are independent, they will understand. Mutually exclusive and mutually independent. What's the difference? Or independent events. इन दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस है? Let me open the slides for you. आपको थोड़ा शायद याद है ज़रा. Anyone?
Sir, in mutually exclusive events, if one event is occurring, then the other event won't, or vice versa. In independent events, the occurrence of one
Okay.
event.
There is little vibration or echo. What do we say? If you can repeat properly, slowly, and with large volume, with bigger volume.
Sir, let's suppose if there are two events, so they will be mutually exclusive. If one event occurs, then the second event won't occur, or vice versa. And
One event occurs, the second
they will
event.
be mutually independent if won't occur. If one event is occurring, then the second event won't be occurring. Likewise, we are supposing A or B, there is success or failure. So if success occurs, then failure won't occur. So they are mutually exclusive and mutually independent for the success.
Okay.
For
And-
for the mutually
Okay. I can't actually make out. Anybody can else tell?
Then mutually exclusive में दो इवेंट एक साथ ऑकर नहीं कर सकते हैं. Whereas independent अगर एक इवेंट ऑकर करता है तो दूसरे इवेंट को उससे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा. That is, they both can occur at the same time or vice versa.
Okay. So when you have independent events, then the probability of events is P into A. Okay. Is this fine?
Yes, sir.
P into A into B, you have to understand A and B, which is sometimes denoted as this. This means union. Okay. Okay. So now we will try to relate all concept here. ये 3/8 इसलिए नहीं होगा बिकॉज आपकी ये इवेंट नहीं है, ये सैंपल स्पेस नहीं है. सैंपल स्पेस है या तो पॉजिटिव है या तो सक्सेस है या फेलियर है. ठीक है. और 1/6 का मतलब यही है कि अगर हम इस इवेंट को करते हैं, if you do this particular event, out of 6 times it will succeed 1 time. Okay. So probability of this particular event is 1/6. Therefore total 3/8 नहीं होगा. You understand that? Okay. 3/8 तब होगा when we say we have 8 students, 3 boys. No, not that was. Okay, we will have 8 different what we say students, and among them let's say 3 people have marks more than 100. Okay, then the probability of selecting students who are having marks more than 100 will be 3/8, क्योंकि 3 total outcome है और 8 total of 8 is the sample space. Okay.
सर एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
हाँ.
सर जब आप सक्सेस फेलियर बता रहे थे सर, उसी समय आपका माइक म्यूट हो गया था सर. उसके बाद आप क्या बताया?
म्यूट हो गया था. अरे ऐसे कैसे म्यूट हो गया?
Yes, sir, your screen was
एक्चुअली
also
वीडियो
not
पूरा रुक
visible.
गया था सर, कुछ आ ही नहीं रहा था सर.
अरे यार, अब ये बताओ सक्सेस फेलियर मतलब ये वाला सक्सेस फेलियर या पिछले वाला? ये वाला ना?
नो सर,
हाँ, सर,
यही
वही
वाला सर. जब आप
यही वाला
सैंपल समझा रहे थे कि ये यहाँ पे सैंपल स्पेस सक्सेस एंड फेलियर होगा.
हाँ ठीक है. So you have to understand this 3/8 will be when suppose you have 8 students. ठीक है. So now the total number of sample space if you select okay 8 students. Okay, let's say all students are there. So this will be your all sample space. So you will have 8 नीचे, and if you have 3 boys, this will be your basic outcome. So maximum you can have 3. So only then it will be 3/8. आपको ये समझना है. और दूसरी बात ये है, सपोज यू सेलेक्ट 1 बॉय. ठीक है, यू 8 लड़कों 8 स्टूडेंट्स में से आपने एक लड़का मान लो सेलेक्ट कर लिया, तो द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सेलेक्टिंग 2 बॉयज विल बी डिफरेंट ना.
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
देखो इंडिपेंडेंट क्यों नहीं है. सपोज आपने पहला इवेंट रखा, सपोज पहला इवेंट इज सेलेक्टिंग अ बॉय, second event is selecting a boy. Now if this is first boy, this probability will be there 2/7. ठीक है ना? If you select
Yes,
first
sir.
boy,
Yes.
but if you select first girl, this will be 3/7. Hello?
Yes, sir.
So the point is this event is getting affected by this. है कि नहीं? This particular event is affected by this. Therefore I said event और experiment समझना बहुत important है. Hence you cannot say they are independent. Can you?
No, sir.
But our
No, sir.
somebody said something. Our case of 8 trials, whatever happens here does not affect here. Is it correct or not?
यस सर.
Therefore ये जो concept है कि 3 सक्सेस हुए 8 में से, तो 3/8. नो, प्राइमरली दिस. इसको आप ऐसे भी कर सकते. प्रोबेबिलिटी इतना इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है. जैसे मैंने ये बोला 8 स्टूडेंट हैं, ठीक है, 8 स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर एंड वी हैव to select 3 boys. Okay, and 3 boys are there. The probability of first boys will be 1/8. ठीक है, into the probability of selecting second boy, third boy. In this way you can do, and ultimately 3/8 ही आंसर आएगा. But what I was trying to say, why 3/8 will not happen here? Because they are not independent. Now coming to the problem. Can we say first event and second event and third event and fourth event and fifth event and sixth event and seventh event and eighth event? Is that correct?
Yes, sir, because they are independent.
Yes, sir. Because
Okay.
they
Now we don't know which are, let's say this, just a second. हेलो जल्दी बोलिए. हाँ जी, हाँ जी. सर तो सॉरी सर, कल उनसे बात हुई थी शाम को मेरी, तो वी हैव डिस्कस विद हिम डायरेक्टली, और अभी मैं क्लास में हूँ यूनिवर्सिटी में, सो आई विल कॉल यू लेटर अराउंड हाफ एन आवर. इज दैट फाइन? या, थैंक यू. या, सो you get, let's say this, this and this as success. Okay, so ultimately because they are all and ठीक है, and P of A union B is P of A plus P of B minus P of intersection B. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये जीरो है. This is zero in this
Yes,
case.
sir.
Yes, sir.
ओके,
Yes, sir.
सो यहाँ पर इसको A बोल दो, इसको B बोल दो, C D E F, तो अल्टीमेटली सॉरी, ओके वेट, आई हैव टोल्ड यू रॉन्ग, सॉरी, ये फॉर्मूला यहाँ नहीं लगेगा, बिकॉज दिस अप्लाइज व्हेन यू हैव टू कंबाइन टू इवेंट्स. ओके, दिस इज एन और, सॉरी, I was telling you this, yeah. P of A into P of B when you have two independent events. वो exclusive में होता है. Sorry. That is the point. I also got confused. So P of A into P of B into P of C into P of D till P of H. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now this becomes 1 by 6 power 3, 5 by 6 power 5. Okay. Now the question comes, why we have 8C3? As Neha said, we will have 8C3. My question to her, why was 8C3 there? Okay. Now we can have, these are and this will be or in the sense 1 2 3 4. You see, it will be an or, this or this or this or this or this or this. Okay, is that fine?
Yes, sir.
That will be 8C3.
Yes, sir.
Therefore 8C3 times 1 by 6 3, 5 by 6 power 5. Okay.
Sir, can you repeat
Yes, sir.
this?
Can you?
Please repeat this that you have explained right now.
Did you understand why this is 1 by 6 3 power 5 by 6 3? 5
Yes, sir, I understood that.
Okay, then either you can have this combination or you can have this combination.
Yes, sir.
So this means इन दोनों का probability क्या हो जाएगा? 2 times this.
Yes, sir.
Or you can have this combination, the probability हो जाएगा 3 times this.
Yes, sir.
तो इसी तरह the problem is, how do we select any 3 successful events among 8? Okay, that will
Okay,
be,
sir.
if you keep on doing like this, अभी यहाँ पे 3 है ना, मतलब आपके पास 56 कॉम्बिनेशन बनेंगे. ऐसे मेरे पास 3 बन रहे हैं अभी, और बनाऊंगा मैं. ऐसे करते करते 8 डॉट्स में से 3 सर्कल होने चाहिए, 3 सक्सेसफुल होने चाहिए. ऐसे 8C3 कॉम्बिनेशन बनेंगे. ठीक है. तो जैसे आपने इसको ट्वाइस किया, थ्राइस किया, बट अल्टीमेटली there will be 8C3 combinations, hence you will do 8C3 into this. आया समझ?
Yes, sir.
अब चलो लेट्स गो अहेड. सो सपोज अब यहाँ पे डिफाइन करते हैं. देखो, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द वे वी डिफाइन. इफ यू आर सेइंग P of 3 here is 8C3 P3Q5. ठीक है. So I am asking you what will be summation P R equal to 0 to 8. What will be this? If P3 is this, what will be R0 to 8 PR summation? बताओ.
So 1.
कैसे? How come? Yeah, please tell us how.
Because for different value of r, it will become p plus r to the power 8 expansion, binomial expansion.
किसी को समझ में आया क्या कह रहे हैं ये? हेलो.
The sum of probabilities of all the outcomes will also.
हाँ, चलो ठीक है. There are two ways to do it. One is logically. Logically says what will happen in 8 trials. Either you will get no success, which is P of 0, or you will get 1 success, or you will get 2 success, 3 success, dot 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 करके. What is the worst? Best? You will get 8 success. So probability of all will be what? Equal to 1?
1.
That's one तरीका.
Yes.
Another तरीका is mathematical, which somebody was telling us. So we say PR is NCR P to power Q to power R P to power N minus R equal to 0 to N. We say this becomes what? What is this expansion? How do we? नहीं, 1 तो नहीं, आगे बताओ. P Q के टर्म से बताओ.
P plus Q whole power n.
Yeah, this becomes P plus Q whole power n, which ultimately we say Q is equal to 1 minus P, so this becomes 1. So ultimately जो binomial distribution था, which we were talking day before yesterday in fact, sorry. So that was actually trying to tell you in a Bernoulli trial or in a binomial distribution, if you have n trials, the probability of r successful trials will be this, where x is the probability of 1 successful trial. Fine. Clear? No doubt. Anyone? Everyone clear? चलो.
Yes.
Now please understand this. N is equal to 1 for Bernoulli distribution. Only one trial is there, which is very simple. Okay, now we will go. Now please, do you understand why it's a distribution? Distribution का मतलब क्या है? What does a distribution mean? कहाँ है भाई, कोई है यहाँ पर? सोनल चौधरी, व्हाट इज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन मीन? सोनल चौधरी,
Yes, sir.
what does distribution mean?
Sir, this is the possible values that any variable can take. It is basically a range.
Okay, and what is the y?
Sir,
X is that, and what is y? You said X is the possible values it can take. That's fine. What is y?
yes, sir.
What is y? You have told me x-axis. What is y? What is distribution?
Yes, sir.
What?
So, y will be the values that depend on x.
वो तो यार, you are describing y is equal to fx. X will take some values, y will take some values. That's fine. What does this translate into a distribution? How does it translate to a distribution, probability distribution? Let's put it that way. Because we were studying binomial distribution and we try to understand. Yeah, please go ahead.
So, I don't know.
Great. And the reason of not knowing it? Anyways, so did you understand what we just did? इससे पहले.
Yes, sir.
What was that? Can you repeat? What were we trying to find?
So, it was that when the trials are independent and we have a probability of success and the complementary of that is the probability of failure. So, if we do a particular number of trials, what is the probability of getting X successful events?
Okay. So, if I say x is equal to 0, okay?
Yes. Yes.
Just a second. ठीक है? Now suppose
Yes,
if I
sir.
have n is equal to 8 and p is equal to
Okay.
half. Okay, what is p of 0? What does p of 0 mean? Value, please calculate the value and tell me the concept also.
So, it will be 1.
And what does it mean?
So, it means that
It will be 1. How come?
out of n.
How it will be 1?
So, because if we do 8C0 and probability is there is probability of success is 1 by 2. So 8C0 1 by 2 to the power 0 and 1 by 2 to the power 8. So anything to the power 0 is 1. So the answer will be 1.
What about this?
So if okay,
So what will the probability? What will the probability? देखो तुम्हें लॉजिकली भी समझना पड़ेगा. You said 0 का मतलब 1. 1 का मतलब बताऊं क्या है? Everything. Is it everything?
yes.
Are you interested in understanding? If you are not, you can say sir नहीं मेरे को नहीं समझना. मैं किसी और को बता देता हूँ. As simple as that. I have no compulsion. Because 60 बच्चे हैं, कोई तो होगा जिसको इंटरेस्ट होगा और नहीं है तो अच्छी बात है, मेरा टाइम बच जाएगा. Because our behavior reflect our interest and our will and skills, everything. So I am ready to compromise on the skill. आपका स्किल बिल्डअप मेरा काम है, लेकिन आपका विल बिल्डअप मेरा काम अभी नहीं है. Anyone else? What is the distribution? Akash Patel.
The distribution basically reflects what will be the probability value at different values of intermediate. We are taking the random variable on the x-axis. So what will be its
अच्छा ठीक है, चलो अच्छी बात है. Let's go in detail little bit. So in this case, what is P of 0? What will be P of 0? We have n is equal to 8 trials and the success.
The value of the
The value of?
expression is random.
Can you repeat that?
So 8C0, 1 by 2 to the power 0, 1 by 2 to the power 8.
हाँ तो कितना हुआ आंसर भाई, कितना हुआ?
So 1 by 256.
Yeah. So we will have 1 by 2 power 8. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Now this is 1 by 2 power 8. What will be P of 1? What will be P of 1?
So 1 by 32.
Okay, so 2 by, can we say it as, if this is 2 minus power 8, twice of 2 power minus 8? Is this fine? P of 1?
Yes.
What is P of 2? What is P of 2?
So calculate.
How much?
After I'm calculating.
अरे यार
2 to the power minus.
फाइन.
Yes, sir.
अब ये स्केल पर नहीं है, डोंट गो बाय स्केल. व्हाट विल बी P of 3? 56.
So 56 to the power minus 8.
What will be P of 4?
So 70 to the power minus 8.
Okay, so this makes your distribution. This is a binomial distribution. Ideally it will be something like this. So hence it's a distribution. Therefore we are trying to tell you that this will be points in the graph, 1, 0.2, 0.3, or 8 points. So depending number of n's, you will have n points. Understood that? Depending on
Yes,
the
sir.
number of points. Hence, as we discussed in the mean median mode of a discontinuous or discrete data, we similarly have some things here. Now, this is the property you have to understand. Mean is n into p. Can everybody understand? Can anybody tell us how? Can anybody tell us how it is mu is equal to n into p? Yeah, please go ahead. हाँ भाई बताओ तो कैसे म्यूजिकल टू एनपी कैसे हुआ? हाउ यू विल, इफ आई टेल यू, प्लीज हेल्प मी एक्सप्लेन द मीन ऑफ बाइनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. हाउ डू वी गो अहेड? यार तुम लोग फॉर्मूला रटने ही आए हो तो बता दो ना. कंपटीशन करो फिर, मतलब बस टेक अ बुक सॉल्व इट. What is probability? What is the expected mean of a distribution? What is that we discussed last time?
So integral SF xf of x dx.
Integral
f of x into dx.
अब ये तो हो गया कंटिन्यूअस के लिए,
Continuously.
कंटिन्यूअस के लिए। डिस्क्रीट के लिए क्या दिखा था हमने? क्या?
Summation of pi xi.
समेशन ऑफ।
pi xi.
तो भाई तुम लोग को प्रॉब्लम है इसको करने में? Is it clear or not? Is it clear? ये सही है? This is the average or mean as you say. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes.
देखो ये हमारा R जो है R0 मतलब xi, ठीक है? Can anybody solve this? Given that P is equal to 1 minus Q, sorry, Q is equal to 1 minus P and NCR is equal to NCN minus R. यही दो चीजें गिवन है। हेलो, इज दिस व्हाट इज गिवन? Are you there or not?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, you have to put all this here, and ultimately you will come with NP, which is very simple. You are doing n trials. ठीक है? And the probability is multiplied. Do you understand this? ये average है, कुछ स्ट्राइक कर रहा है? That you do n trials and one trial की जो probability है उसको n से multiply कर दो. What would you expected me? समझ रहे हैं? हेलो?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Very simple. One trial 1 by p probability. Sorry, 1 by p नहीं, 1 by n. What was that? Whatever the probability was, p. One event probability was, you have n trials, so you multiply. Now this is not success of anything. This is mean. You have to understand this. ठीक है? अगर हम पर्टिकुलर पे आते हैं, that what is the probability of getting 2 success, 3 success, 4 success. This tells us how much are the average success. That's all it tells. Or it can also tell you, if you understand ना, किसका मीन सबसे ज़्यादा है. जैसे हमारे पास हमारे केस में P is equal to Q था ना, जो अभी एग्जाम्पल लिया था, ठीक है? 1 by 2 लिया था ना?
Yes, sir.
So हमारा ग्राफ ऐसे बन रहा था, मिड पॉइंट पे मैक्सिमम आ रहा था.
Yes, sir.
क्यों? क्योंकि हमने क्या किया, 1 by 2 कर दिया तो n by 2 हो जाएगा, ठीक है? लेकिन अगर P तुम्हारा वो है लेस देन है तो तुम्हारी यहाँ या तो मैक्सिमम यहाँ शिफ्ट हो जाएगा, और P अगर मोर देन 0.5 है तो मैक्सिमम यहाँ शिफ्ट हो जाएगा. समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
तो बात ये है, कॉमन
Yes.
सेंस. तो ये पीक की वैल्यू है. उसी तरह देखो, इतना मैंने तुम्हें पी आई एक्स आई कराया है, तो आई विल एक्सपेक्ट दिस. आई विल आस्क इन द एग्जाम प्लीज फाइंड द एवरेज ऑफ मोन्यूमल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. दैट्स इट. क्वेश्चन पेपर आउट. अब इसके बाद भी तुम नहीं करते हो तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. ठीक है? ओके, सो in this way there are multiple things. I will not ask you all these things. वेरिएंस से आगे हम स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन, चलो वेरिएंस कर लेते हैं. वेरिएंस से आगे हम जाएंगे नहीं, ठीक है? everything else is secondary. I will not ask you skewness, kurtosis, moment generating characteristic function. I will not ask you. But कुछ लोग को लगता है कि हाँ भाई ज़्यादा कुछ किया नहीं है, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, ठीक है? For them this book is there. Those who feel कि हाँ ये सब तो बचपन में पढ़ा हुआ है. Because I think 8-9 क्लास में भी किसी बोर्ड में होता है ना probability. Is that correct? That you have probability in 8-9 classes of boards.
Yes, sir.
Anyways, चलो अभी इतना ही है. Any questions till now? Any questions? No one? चलो ठीक है. We meet tomorrow, and so tomorrow we have class. You know that, na? Tomorrow we don't have holiday. Holiday is on 20th. Hello.
Okay, sir.
And tomorrow be ready with the assignment number 1. Okay? ठीक है? Assignment 1 tomorrow. क्या नाम है?